Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Facebook ads, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you target wedding planners with Facebook ads? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to target wedding planners with Facebook ads anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, maybe it's complimentary to wedding planners. Maybe you want to run ads to wedding planners so you can cooperate with your business. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ads manager. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Facebook ads manager, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to target wedding planners, here on the left side, you're going to build an audience by clicking on these three little people. It's called audiences. Once you do that, you can go ahead and put together a saved audience. Once you set together a saved audience of wedding planners, once you go to create ads in Facebook ads, you can just add in this wedding planner audience. So of these three options, you want to click on this one, create a saved audience. Okay, next you're going to see this pop up. So you can go ahead and start creating an audience of wedding planners. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know that Facebook is slowly removing the opportunity for you to create an audience, and most of it's going to be handled by their AI or their algorithm. If this option is taken away in the future, you definitely want to make sure that your creative, whether it's a video, text, or pictures, is speaking directly to wedding planners. So that way AI knows exactly who you're trying to target. In the meantime, let's go ahead and name this audience. So we'll just say wedding planners, say in California. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and choose the location. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and choose wedding planners in California. All right, next I'm going to uncheck this box because once again, this is Facebook attempting to handle the targeting for me. Age group, I'm not going to mess with that. Gender, I'm not going to mess with that either. Language, I usually type in English just because that's what I work in. We can scroll to the bottom and you see right here, Advantage plus detailing. So this means that Facebook can automatically expand your audience of wedding planners. So you can't uncheck this box. So you need to click here on switch to Advantage plus audience and then scroll back to the bottom and click on switch to original audience. Okay, now that you do that, you should see this detailed targeting. So here we're going to go ahead and add in demographic, interest, behaviors for wedding planners. So I made this list over here of targeting groups. So wedding planner, event planner, bridal consultant, wedding coordinator. So these are all groups that we're going to add into the targeting. It's kind of a long list. Check my video description. I'll try to leave a quick link here to this group list that I put together. So I'm going to come back over here and just start typing this in the targeting. So wedding planner. Okay, wedding planner, event planning manager. So I'm going to go ahead and just start clicking on the groups that are relevant, and we can scroll up to the top and then we can see the size of the group. So with everything we've added in now, it's saying the estimated group size is about 7 million. So for me, that's a sufficient size group. So actually, I'm going to go ahead and remove this group right here. Okay, so once you have your group size sufficient, you're going to click here on create saved audience. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that we put together a Facebook audience of wedding planners in California. So now when we go to create our Facebook ad, when it gets to the audience section, we can just click on there and then add in our wedding planner group. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to target wedding planners with Facebook ads, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.